Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this awesome zombie outfit for Halloween. So this is for the Halloween theme. I just did the face using some custom makeup and I just changed the color of her skin, and I'm just going to put this on and I'm going to color it the same color as like her outfit, and then for the next one I'm going to color it red. And for the third one, I'm going to color it red as well. I think I might actually color it white for this one because we need it to look like the bone for it. And I just covered the rest this kind of dark red. And then you can put on some other like items like these gloves, which is perfect for the hands. We're just going to color it the same as the fingers, and we're going to just add some more stuff on to make it look a little bit better. Like that, and maybe some of this as well. Just be creative like with your outfit. Let's not use this one. Okay, let's try this one. Oops. Okay, you're just going to be creative with your outfit. Then for the head part of the zombie, you're just going to walk here. And you're just going to, first of all, pick any kind of hairstyle you want. Maybe like this one, because it's like a messy kind of hairstyle. And just like layer it with a lot of hair to make it look even more messy. I'll add like one more maybe. Where is it? Oh, this one. And then I'm going to add like some more bangs here. Maybe like these ones and like this one as well. Then for the kind of like brain look, you're going to use this hairstyle and you're going to color it a little bit more darker, but not super dark, to create the brain part. And well, that's it. You can add shoes, but I don't think zombie wears shoes. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.